the couple, I was giving questions about the relationship, di ba? And I'm sure if you're happily married, you remember all the milestones in your relationship as a couple. So I'll be asking also some of the similar questions. Ito ha, very important. Hopefully you get it correct. The first question here is, when and where did you first meet your spouse? Ayan, when and where did you first meet your spouse? 5, 4, when and where, ha? 3, 2, 1.5. Sige lang. 1.1. Ano copy nga sa katabi ninyo? 1.1. Okay, papers up. Let's turn around. Gentlemen, please don't show your answers just yet. Turn around, turn around. Ayan. Last, final look. Okay. Gentlemen, turn around please. Ladies, don't show your answers. Cover your answers first. Cover them first. And couple number 1, yung sagot. Sabi niya wow. Huwag muna. Tago muna. Taguig House. Don't know when. It was not memorable. Taguig House, sabi niya, Angel's first birthday sister-in-law. Aba, parang hindi nakakatugma yung mga sagot ninyo. Are you sure ito yung asawa ninyo? Si Guy, you took who? Okay? -5 kayong dalawa. -5. Hindi maalala. Okay. Couple number 2, sagot niya is, itaas, in CEU school, can't remember the date over here. In school, 1993, ang galing naman. Sa'yo, +0, sa asawa, +5. Good job. Palakpakan naman dyan para ma-inspire sila. Couple number 5. Wow! Swerte naman ang asawa niya. Sabi niya, the first time that they met was in my husband's house. Okay siya, ha? Walang date. Asa niya is, 1980, sa Harrison Plaza. Ikaw ibihan ng Harrison Plaza! Nako! Sigurado, ito ba yung asawa ninyo? Sigurado ka, ha? Di ka talaga. Ito naman. Couple number 4, sagot niya is, in school, college, 3rd year, 19, kopong-kopo. 19, okay. Over here naman, is in school, 1994. Nanginginig ka ba? Ha? Nako. Sige. +1. Last but not the least, we have here, wow. For social naman. Les Soufflé, January 1993. At yung sagot niya is, Les Soufflé, Greenbelt, 1993. How in love naman! Palakpakan naman. Wow, I'm impressed. That close enough. But you know, sometimes, your memory can escape you, di ba? So that's okay. Second chance. Okay, question number 2. You might not remember whenever you first met, but you will never forget when and where was the first time you kissed on the lips. Ayan. When and where was the first time you kissed on the lips? Yung unang matamis na halik sa labi. Ha? 5, 4, 3, 2, sige lang, 1.5, 1.1. Sige naman, awa ng Diyos, sagutin ninyo yung sagot. Okay, well, gentlemen, turn around, please. Turn around. Don't show muna yung answers. Pakitago muna yung sagot. Her answer is, it was so memorable that she cannot remember. So, nasuplay yun eh. His answer was, October 1998. Ang tagal ba ng kiss ninyo? Isang buwan pa? Okay, so, nako, medyo usap ha. Couple number 2, her answer is, wow, the best place to kiss, my house. Please take note, hindi sinabi ko anong kwarto sa bahay, basta my house. Sagot niya is, I can't remember. Baka kayo magkasawa? Couple number 3, Harrison Plaza, hindi naman, hindi. Can't remember also as well. Ayaw yata magkasawa. Over here, sagot niya is, wow, the movie house. Baka sa Harrison Plaza ito, ha? Couple number 4, sagot niya is, they kissed in 1998. Ang tagal niyan, ha? At yung sagot niya is, cannot remember. Ang dami mong asawa dito sa likod, ha? Couple number, ito, wow, the best place to kiss is in Batangas. All over Batangas, 1996. And to be more specific, Batangas City in December. Palakpakan naman dyan. Naku, malapit na. Medyo bumawi ng konti. Okay, last na lang kasi medyo nakakaya na yung pagsagot dyan eh. Last one na lang. Let's not rely on memory. Let's say that actions speak louder than words. Okay? So this is the most important question. What do you think is your husband's favorite body part of yours? Ayan. What do you think is your husband's favorite body parts? For the husbands, what is your favorite body part of your wives? Huh? What is your favorite body part of your wives? Hindi mo kailangan ng memory work dyan, promise. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And gentlemen, I just hope there is no answer that says, I cannot remember. Huh? Okay, gentlemen, turn around please. Pakitago yung mga sagot. Okay. Pakitago. Couple number 1, yung sagot niya is... The lips. Wow. Pakita ba lips? Oh, lips. Sagot niya is... Balikat. At least medyo harap, medyo same part. Medyo magkalapit, pero malapit lang. Nako, ito couple number 2, sagot niya is... The face. At least parang yan, the face. Yung sagot niya is... The lips. At least nasa mukha. Pasok pa rin to. The eyes. How many years have you married? How many years married? 20 years. 30 years. At yun ang nalaman niya. It's the eyes pala kasi sagot niya is, I don't know, I never asked him. No. You should have asked him back in the movie house. Couple number 4, sagot niya is the eyes. At sagot niya is the eyes! Ang galing naman! Ang sweet naman, kaya naka-shades ka pa kanina. Tinataga mo pa yung most valuable asset mo. Last but not the least, couple number 5, the face. At yung sagot niya is the eyes! Okay. It looks like there needs to be, look at the couple, they're not so happy, medyo sad. Masungit pa ng konti, oh, sabi nila, ba't naman ganyan kayo pinili to show na how it means to truly love your wife and your spouse? Let's do this way. Can you please take the pencil, pens, and paper from them? You know what? Like I said, action should speak louder than... I want you to strategize right now on the best, most dramatic, the most passionate kiss possible. Remember, so Boracay, we want a Boracay baby, so it has to be inspirational. Let's remove the seats, please. Let's remove the seats. Ito po, one by one po to, ha? One by one. Okay, let's start with couple number 1. Oh, kung may mga kaibigan ito, palakpakan naman dito. Ito, wait muna. Yung may kaibigan. Wait, hold on. I need some, can you give me some sexy music naman there, please? Sexy music, please. More dramatic naman. Huwag naman Frank Sinatra. Ayan. Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's do it! Woo! Wow! May 20% discount yun sa Sonia's Garden. Gusto niyo? Sa mga kwarto? Okay. Medyo mainit-init yan. Ito, Show Me How You Kiss in 1996. Yan. Okay, 3, 2, 1, take it away! Woo! Ano yung kissing o wrestling ba yan? Hindi ko alam eh. Ito na yan! Couple number 3! Panoorin! This is how you kiss in the movie house. 3, 2, 1, let's do it! Oh, may hawak pa dyan ng konti, ha? May konting hawak pa dyan. Okay, couple number 4. I want to see how you do it in his house. In my house. Okay? 3, 2, 1, let's do it! Wow! Oh, pwede. Kaya masama niya. Eto na yan. I want to see how you kissed in lesson play. Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's do it! Okay, let's see with a show of applause who is our winning couple. Ladies and gentlemen, couple number 1, palakpakan please. Mga hakot ninyo, hakot, hakot. Couple number 2, couple number 2. Gusto niya ka kaibigan nyo dito. Oh, couple number 3, couple number 3. Fan club, fan club. Couple number 4. Ba? Yung VIP table. Isa niya. Couple number 5. Kamag-anak mo lahat? Para disqualified din eh. Okay, it's a difficult decision to make, but it looks like we have the winner. Even if they don't know what body part that they like, they are still the winner couple. Number 3! Congratulations! Can you please have a photo taken with the newlyweds? O ngayon, dapat gayahin ng newlyweds yung kiss.